In this video, I will tell you how to make money from freelancing. Freelancing is a big platform how to earn more money freelancing even if you are the total how to make money freelancing and be your own boss. How to make more money as a freelancer. Zapier 20 websites you can't miss if you want to make money. How to earn money at freelancer.com. 37 ways to make money from home as a freelancer. How to make money as a freelancer in 2022. Open this article. How to make money as a freelancer in 2022. Working as a freelancer is not as easy as it seems. You have to make a lot of sacrifice and spend considerable. How to make money as a freelancer, a step-by-step guide. There's a long list of benefits you shall get when you make money online freelance, from working on your coach in your suite, setting your own rates and work timing. Freelancing is the ultimate way or fuel your creativity. However, a critical aspect of freelance ways to make money is that you have to operate them as your own business instead of working as typical day job. As a freelancer, you are boss, but that comes with a whole set of responsibility as well. If you're thinking about how to make money as a freelancer, you shall have to take up the following tasks alongside your job. These include marketing yourself online, pitching potential clients, providing support, budding, time management. Besides that, getting started as a freelancer is not easy, no matter how talented you are at what you do. Hundreds of individuals are just like you're looking for work. That's why don't worry, I have got you covered. Go through my guide for how to make money as a freelancer. For details you need in this comprehensive guide, you shall find a step-by-step guide to becoming a freelancer profitable and popular freelance. You can choose from reliable freelance platform where you can connect easily with potential clients. So while freelancing is not a walk in the park, you can make it accessible for yourself if you know the right way. Let's start with the steps for how to make money as a freelancer first. Step 1, choose your free. If you are wondering how to make money as a freelancer, the first thing you shall have to do is find your work. Thanks for watching.